Hello, welcome to everyone. Hello everyone. Now today I am Sam Talk best virtual data room software. So everyone, I am always talking virtual data related to all content. So now I am discuss the best virtual data room software. So everyone, today topic is this topic, and I am always say virtual data related to all content. So everyone, now I'm some details share for you. So virtual data related content on my own content and all content my creation. So virtual data room software. A virtual data room video is a secure online represent and use for and supported and storage distributions digital file. So everyone, now I am talking some details and use the storage and distributions and digital file of document shell and video allow compromise and to share conditional and property information with an additional party in a controlled setting. A video robust security feature often including to two-factor authentication and single sign-on control. The sign-on tools hosting this is Seymour. Now click and some details were shared. So data management and skills and so everyone, my camera is not a good, but I am try video making. So digital right management is a cultural expected of virtual data room due to their use during and images manage and recording transactions as a will private, including and Victoria capital transactions. So everyone, now I am always talking virtual data related content. So I have a file share and sharing software. This is allow and the best solution, and this is the good solution. So everyone, some details I am share for you and some details for share and the best virtual data room and as in the best and this is the best content I am share for you everyone. So now this is share best virtual data room software. Virtual data room software, and this is the my own content and this is the best content and USA. So USA most popular country and USA all guys follow my video. So now compromise and virtual data related all the same process, and the discuss is very good process. Discuss is very good process, and I am share for always the best. I am always the best, and this is the best topic head virtual data. So virtual data and this is the best. So virtual data and is the best topic and USA. So USA topic and virtual data related to all our content. So everyone, now I am some discuss for you. So everyone, some details for you I am share for you, and I am all details and everyone, now some people is very bad. Some people is very bad and some people is very cute girl. Some people is good. So everyone, now I am some details. So everyone, some details I am share for you and all details and I am share for you, and this is the cat and face cam and the virtual data is very good person to related, and it is according as bad not a good and I am always share for you virtual data related to all content. So everyone, now some details I am always share for you, and I hope this is content good and so that is a very good person. So everyone, now my video end.